Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to cancel your MailerLite membership. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your MailerLite account at MailerLite.com. From the dashboard, click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings, go to the Billing tab. Scroll down to find the Cancel Account option and click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Your membership will be canceled and you'll receive a confirmation email. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. So be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. We're grateful for your interest and for watching our video. Your engagement is greatly valued.